Yes, that was one of my favorite songs from a Vicky Kaushal movie, Man Marziyan, and a beautiful movie. इसी बात में क्योंकि ब्यूटीफुल की और ब्यूटी की बात आती है तो हम बात करेंगे अभी रूबी फ्रॉम क्लासी दीवा सैलून एंड स्पा. हेलो रूबी.
Hello, good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Ruby. How are you?
I'm doing good. I'm doing much better. Thank you. How are you guys?
We are doing absolutely fine. आपने सुन ही लिया होगा यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा आर्ग्यूमेंट्स हो रखे हैं. लड़ाइयाँ चल रखी हैं.
Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif has created a mess, huh?
Exactly. Especially in
For
Namaste
themselves,
Radio.
actually. No, are you kidding me? I don't. This is being blown out of
Now
proportion.
let's-
It doesn't make me a difference. वो spot पर से शादी करे, waiter से शादी करे,
Oh
क्या
my
फर्क पड़ता
God.
है?
Let's ask her, like, what does she think of the
You
couple?
know what? I'll be honest. I still thought this was all like fake until I saw the wedding picture, and I still thought wedding picture was just somebody like Photoshop something. I don't know. It was just really hard for me to believe, but hey, it is what it is. But why
Yeah.
hide it? Why hide it?
To make money.
They are making about 100 crore rupees by selling their wedding rights to Prime.
I know. I read about that.
If the royal family can do it, PC can do it.
लेकिन
Why not?
Katrina can do it.
Katrina can do it.
hello,
But
Vicky
you know
is
what?
doing it.
I'll be honest. I wasn't surprised. I mean, well, I was actually surprised. There was no wow factor about her look or like the wedding look or something. It reminded me so much about Deepika Padukone and everybody else. It was
Ranveer
very
Singh.
much in that line.
I mean, they all are going
good
to
then.
the same designer, you know. At the end of
Exactly.
it, all of them go to Sabyasachi, and he's one of the best, for no doubt about it. But at the end, they're going to Sabyasachi, and they're getting designed pretty much the same way.
Exactly. I would expect if you're gonna be so hush-hush about it and create this fuss, I expect you to be a little better. Like come up with something. Like give your what do you call fans something good to look forward to. It was such
Exactly.
a disappointment, I think.
Exactly. But I still feel on the topic of what we were talking, Vicky or Katrina, I think they both are equally great actors or whatever, but they both look equally good. Like he's a good,
I
handsome guy.
think we
She's a
really
pretty
need to
girl.
sit down and have a conversation. You think Katrina is a great actress?
Okay, I'm talking
No,
to
not
Ruby.
at all.
No,
that
that's
I
what
don't
Vanshika said. Just
I think
like,
they make
Salman is a great
they
actor,
make a
Katrina-
great pair, but
Wow.
I don't know about her acting. Yeah, that for sure.
Yeah.
We all know that Vicky is a phenomenal.
Yeah, he
Yes,
is.
he's definitely a great actor, but Katrina, she does not have
She has the looks.
acting skills. She's got the looks, but hey, you
Dancing.
don't know how they are off screen, right? They might be made for each other. I'm happy.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's all that matters.
Exactly. But ठीक है, विकी और कटरीना की बातें होती रहेंगी. Today, let's now talk about Classy Diva Salon and Spa. You've come up with great deals for December. So tell us what's happening, Ruby.
There is actually a lot going on the business front, Vanshika. Of course, first of all, introducing our holiday bundle deals, right? So because of the season, we're doing the facial, polish, and eyebrow bundles, and we're doing the hair and makeup bundle for the season, and they're both $50 each.
Wow.
And another thing coming up, we have a boosted, you guys are all aware of our VIP Text Club, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to be introducing a boosted camp where that's going to introduce our deals and give our clients more chance to connect with me through social media, make appointments and everything. And one of that biggest going offer would include for the holiday season is 10% off of all gift certificates.
Wow.
So if you're going to purchase a $100 gift certificate, you're going to get that for $90.
Oh, wow.
You know, so the more you purchase, obviously, the more you're going to get off, and that's only for the month of December, and that will be good for 3 months. So that gift certificate, you cannot redeem it from up until March of 2022.
Okay. So they have about 3 months to redeem
To
that.
redeem, yes.
So it's a great way for, even if, a man is listening, he can always go and buy this gift certificate
It's
for
a
his wife.
perfect gift opportunity,
Yeah.
I think.
Yes.
You know, everybody gets very busy and crazy, overwhelmed during this holiday season. So even if you cannot utilize it right now, guess what? You can use that unwinding time after the holidays.
Absolutely.
You need to come in and just relax and unwind and just relax overall. And that's a good opportunity. So guys, gift certificates.
Absolutely. So go get those gift certificates, and the bundle deal, the facial, face polish, and eyebrow threading only for $50 is
Yes.
what is going on in December. But uske साथ साथ, Ruby, you do have the facial of the month.
Of course, we're ending this year with a bang. So our facial of the month in December is the amazing diamond facial.
Wow. Do I get to
So-
eat diamonds? Like I remember eating a little bit of the pumpkin spice facial scrub.
I don't know about that, but you might glow like a diamond.
Absolutely. So, what is a diamond facial? Like, what's the difference? Like, when you name these facials different, तो क्या होता है इसमें?
You have to know what is behind that facial, what the need of the facial is for your skin. So as per diamond facial, it's considered an excellent exfoliant facial. It's for extreme dry skin people, like people with extreme dry skin.
And
So,
winter में
yeah.
typically dry skin हो जाती है ज़्यादातर.
Exactly, if it's cold and chill, so it's the best time to get that exfoliation done, get rid of that dry, dead skin and let your skin glow. So it's a good facial, and it's very hydrating. And if you pair that with a microderma, that's like a cherry on top, because you're giving your your skin a chance to glow, right? You're cleaning out your pores, you're cleaning out your dirt, whiteheads, blackheads, everything. So it's gonna flush out your skin, bring that blood to your skin, and give you that glow for the holidays. Clean out your
Absolutely.
skin, clean out your pores, overall give you a smooth look. Especially if you're a person with large pores, I definitely suggest you get this facial.
Perfect. And this is $30 any Tuesday in December.
Any Tuesday in December.
And one thing I like about you selecting the day Tuesday is because, I just out of my experience, I've seen when I get my facial on Tuesday, by Thursday, Friday, that glow is 100% there. And typically we are going for parties like, on the weekends. So
Yes.
by the time मैं Tuesday को facial कराऊं, and then, by Thursday, Friday, काफी मुझे ऐसा लगता है और ज़्यादा, वो glow set in हो जाता है. And I'm
Yeah.
like, boom, I'm ready for my holiday parties.
Because normally what happens is, like, right after a facial, some people might be sensitive skin, so you might have a little bit of redness, and I always advise everyone to not do any harsh scrubs for like the next 48 hours, because you're letting your skin set and you're letting those products get absorbed in your skin. You're giving your skin that time to breathe after going through so much for that hour, right?
Yeah.
So after that 48 hours, that's where you're going to start seeing the glow.
Perfect. So diamond facial any Tuesday in December, and of course the entire month Ruby has all that bundle deal, which is facial, face polish, and eyebrow threading for 50. That's any day of December, and you do have the party hairstyle makeup.
Yes, ma'am. That's also for 50. So you got Christmas parties coming up. Come and get ready.
तो उसमें you do the hair like hairstyle भी होगा, पूरा makeup भी होगा.
Yes.
Wow, that is amazing, because typically if I have to go somewhere out, सिर्फ hairstyle में ही that's the minimum amount. So it's a great deal, guys. Go check it out. And how can they get their appointments? Where do they find you, Ruby?
I am on social media all over. You can make an appointment on Facebook, Instagram, message me. You can call at the salon at 281-646-0100, or you can text me personally at 856-693-8970 for your appointment. I can have you in and out in 45 minutes with your hair and makeup done.
Perfect. So just in time. Amazing deal for all your holiday events, parties, and she throughout the month she does have the bundle deal. And of course, any Tuesday in December you have the diamond facial to get that glow, get your skin all glittery and nice. So amazing Ruby, I'm coming back for my diamond facial. तो वो मुझे अपना अपॉइंटमेंट आपसे जल्दी बुक कराना है.
Just message me. I'll make that for you. You're welcome anytime.
Absolutely. And no, she is. You message her and she responds right away. So that's one thing I love about Ruby. Again, the number for the salon is 281-646-0100. And if you want to text and get that appointment, you can text Ruby directly at 856-693-8970. And of course, follow Ruby on Facebook and Instagram, Classy Diva Salon and Spa. That's the name on Facebook and Instagram. Ruby, before we let you go today, anything else you would like to share?
The only thing I'm going to tell you is my gift to you guys this holiday season is I should say for my clients and for the salon, my employees, is I have something major coming up in January, February.
Oh, wow.
And that's a big bomb that I'm going to drop right now. Be ready for a change, and there is something major coming up. And other than that, don't lose yourself this holiday season. Make sure to focus on your me time and take care of your health.
Absolutely. And I think I kind of know what you're hinting towards, but I'm not going to. I'm going to keep that a secret. I'm not even going to ask you. No, I'll wait for that bomb to drop. But hey, good luck to you, girl, and more power. And you're doing great. Keep doing the great work that you do, and we love you.
Your guys' support. I really appreciate your support all over. I'm really grateful to you guys. I'm blessed to have people like you in my life supporting my business.
No, and absolutely. And Namaste Radio, loves you, is always there for you. And जो भी हो, बस आपको बताना है और हो जाएगा. So thank you so much, Ruby.
Thank you, you guys.
Thank you. That was Ruby from Classy Diva Salon and Spa. Again, the number for the salon is 281-646-0100. And her text for appointments, you can text her at 856-693-8970. Classy Diva Salon and Spa.